Dasman Diabetes Institute held a special ceremony to mark their new gold-awarded accreditation from Accreditation Canada International, ACI. ACI's approach to accreditation is based on an interactive self-assessment and analysis of areas of improvement, a process guided by the expertise of their surveyors and consultants. Our correspondent Sarah Faris Globe was there with this report.
Dasman Diabetes Institute, or DDI, held a ceremony to celebrate its acquisition of a gold level of accreditation from Accreditation Canada International, making it the fifth organization in Kuwait to receive this accreditation and the first institute of its kind worldwide.
We wanted to actually get the Accreditation Canada, and we were insisting to become better, so we'll be recognized internationally also. And we started about 3 years ago, and we did a lot of changes according to the conditions that they were put. And that helped us also to move much faster to the different level of giving the services to the people of Kuwait, and also being recognized by the rest of the world in this. For that reason, now there are other countries are looking at us and asking us whether we can help them. But that's not the real target that for us is how much more better we can provide the service to the people of Kuwait. And that was the reason that we also went on. And so we learn to do different way of approaching especially diabetes and its complications.
The journey began in 2012, and it comprised of 6 phases throughout a 3-year cycle. DDI has now completed 5 phases of the cycle.
Well, what they do is they go through a very rigorous process of self-assessment and also a survey where surveyors come to visit them to check the quality of services in the institute. And following that, they receive a report on all the areas that the surveyors have looked at. And then in the end, they receive an accreditation award, which is good for 3 years.
Well, I think today's awarding of the gold level of accreditation by ACI to the Dasman Diabetes Institute is just an example of the important work being done in healthcare between Canada and Kuwait. Accreditation Canada International is working not just with the Dasman Diabetes Institute, but with a number of hospitals and health institutions across Kuwait. It's been here since 2006, and it's just one of many projects we have ongoing. We have University Health Network out of Toronto working with the Cancer Clinic. We have McGill University Health Centre working with on cardiac care. And we have literally hundreds of Kuwaitis being trained as doctors or being accredited in Canada or being accredited by the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada. So we have very extensive bilateral relations on healthcare, and this is just an example of some of the best where Canada and Kuwait work together to improve healthcare for Kuwaitis.
Thousands of organizations have experienced Accreditation Canada's accreditation programs over the last 50 years.
But this is very important for Kuwait, as you know that we have a very big percentage of our population they are diabetes. And we have a lot of young generation also. And really it is a problem. And we would like really this institute, Dasman Institute, after this accreditation, I mean, they can follow on what they can do, to amend this situation which we are facing. But we believe that the institute is in good hands, and Dr. Kazem Behbehani is really working very hard behind the scenes with his staff. And we expect all objective things, I hope so.
In December 2012, Dasman Diabetes Institute was awarded the gold level accreditation from Accreditation Canada International, making it the first institute of its kind worldwide to receive the accreditation through their program. From Dasman Diabetes Institute, this is Sarah Glubb reporting for English News.